All right, engage the winch. Winch engaged, pushing now. Easy, keep it straight. All secure.
Today, we bring back to life a forgotten legend, a 1910 Pierce-Arrow Limousine, once a symbol of wealth, power, and elite class. Now, buried in dust, lost in time. Brown Circle discovery. In the silence of an old wooden barn, under decades of dust, rests this magnificent machine. Cobwebs cling to its brass headlights. The emblem, faded, but still proud. Leather seats cracked by time. Wooden dashboard, dry and fragile. Tires, flat, defeated. But even in decay, you can feel its history. Slowly, a hand reaches forward, wiping away years of dust from the hood. And beneath that dust, the soul of a champion still breathes. Brown Circle inspection. The limousine is transported carefully to our restoration workshop. Under bright inspection lights, the true condition is revealed. Rust has eaten into the chassis. The engine, frozen in time. Oil dripping slowly from beneath. Every bolt, every screw, holds a century of stories. This will not be easy, but legends are never easy to revive. Brown Circle disassembly. The process begins. Brass headlights, gently removed. Front grille, detached piece by piece. Each movement slow, careful, respectful. The hood panels lift away. And finally, the engine, suspended in the air by a crane. Heavy, silent, waiting. Seats are removed. Wood panels unscrewed. Glass windows taken out carefully. The once majestic limousine now stands as a bare skeleton. But this is where rebirth begins. Brown Circle deep cleaning. Sandblasting begins. Rust disappears under powerful streams. Metal breathes again. Water washes over the chassis, carrying away decades of neglect. Engine parts soak in chemical baths. Tiny screws brushed by hand. The brass headlights, polished slowly, until they shine once more. The wooden dashboard is sanded carefully, layer by layer, revealing its original beauty. Every piston cleaned, every surface restored, and slowly, the forgotten limousine begins to look alive again. Brown Circle engine rebuild. Now, the heart, the engine block rests on the workbench. New pistons slide into cylinders. Bolts tightened with precision. Each metallic click, a heartbeat returning. Vintage wiring replaced carefully. Speedometer dial restored. Suspension rebuilt. Exhaust repaired. The engine is ready to return home. Lifted carefully, lowered back into the chassis. Perfect alignment, perfect balance. A century-old heart, ready to beat again. Brown Circle interior restoration. Premium brown leather replaces the cracked seats. Hand-stitched, smooth, luxurious. Wooden panels refinished. Glass windows reinstalled. The steering wheel restored to glory. Inside once again feels royal. This is not just a car. This is moving history. Brown Circle painting and finishing. Primer coat applied smoothly. Then comes the deep, glossy black paint. Slow mist fills the air. Light reflecting beautifully across the body. Layer after layer, polishing begins. Hands move gently across the surface, until it mirrors the world around it. Chrome trim installed. Brass handles shining. And finally, the Pierce-Arrow emblem returns to its rightful place. Brown Circle the moment of truth. The limousine stands complete, covered under a silk cloth. Silence fills the workshop. Slowly, the cloth is lifted, and there it is, a 1910 Pierce-Arrow Limousine. Reborn, elegant, powerful, timeless. Brown Circle first engine start. The key turns. A brief pause. Then, a deep mechanical rumble. The engine awakens. Soft smoke escapes the exhaust. Metal vibrates with life. After decades of silence, the champion speaks again. Brown Circle final drive. Outside, under the golden sunset, the limousine rolls forward. Smooth, graceful, majestic. Once abandoned in darkness, now shining in the light. Driving slowly down a vintage road. A masterpiece restored. A legend revived. Clapperboard closing. This was not just restoration. This was resurrection. A reminder that even after 100 years, true greatness never fades. Thank you for watching. Ultra-powerful champions, where forgotten legends rise again. Soft engine sound fades into silence.